Hey there. Welcome to A Masculine Man. Let's be honest, keeping a woman's interest and attraction isn't always easy. Sometimes it can feel like you're putting in effort after effort, but the results don't quite seem to match up. It's no wonder that keeping a relationship exciting can feel exhausting. But here's the thing, attracting a woman and holding her attention doesn't have to be such a battle. In fact, there are certain traits that high-value men embody naturally, traits that keep women intrigued and invested without all the extra effort. In today's world, many men overlook these key qualities and end up in the trap of constantly overthinking, trying to be perfect, or feeling pressured to meet expectations that miss the mark. So what really keeps her interested? In this video, we're diving into 7 powerful habits that high-value men live by. These aren't just superficial tricks. They're solid, grounded qualities that create lasting attraction. But before we get into those traits, let's talk about a couple of major turnoffs that can seriously kill attraction. First up, insecurity. When a man lacks confidence in himself or constantly seeks validation from others, it can be a huge red flag for women. It often shows up as over-apologizing, being overly passive, or second-guessing every decision. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence because it signals strength and stability. If you're unsure of yourself, it can create a sense of unease in the relationship. The second major turnoff, neediness. If you find yourself relying too heavily on her for your happiness or constantly seeking her approval, it can push her away. Neediness can feel smothering and may make her question your emotional independence. Women want a partner who has his own life, goals, and interests. When you can stand strong on your own, it not only makes you more attractive, but also fosters a healthier dynamic between the two of you. So whether you're just starting out in the dating scene or looking to enhance your current relationship, stay tuned. I'll reveal the traits you need to focus on to keep her intrigued and invested in you. Let's dive in. Number 1, prioritize self-improvement. Let's take Alex, for instance, a guy who spends a couple of hours every weekend volunteering and working on his fitness goals. Not because he's trying to impress anyone, but because he genuinely enjoys giving back and feels good about staying fit. His girlfriend notices his consistent efforts, and it reminds her that he's someone who's driven by growth and purpose. This is where many men today get it wrong. They fail to focus on self-improvement due to the overwhelming distractions of modern life. With constant access to social media, streaming platforms, and a barrage of information, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose sight of personal growth. This can lead to stagnation, making them less interesting to their partners. High-value men view self-growth as a lifelong commitment. It's not about impressing others, but rather about working on themselves for their own fulfillment. They're constantly evolving, and this steady focus on self-betterment is something women find captivating. Self-improvement can manifest in various ways. It might be pursuing a new hobby, such as learning a musical instrument or diving into a new sport. Perhaps it's about expanding one's knowledge through books, podcasts, or courses. The key is to actively engage in activities that enhance skills, broaden horizons, and cultivate a sense of accomplishment. When a man is dedicated to bettering himself, it reflects positively in his relationships. His passion and commitment to growth can be infectious, creating an environment where both partners feel encouraged to pursue their own goals. This mutual support fosters a deeper connection and keeps the relationship dynamic and interesting. Number 2, emotional independence. Imagine a man who's in a happy relationship but doesn't rely on his girlfriend for constant reassurance. He's comfortable handling his own challenges, like stressful work deadlines or personal frustrations, and he doesn't expect her to fix his emotions. Instead, he shares openly with her when it's appropriate, without making her feel like she's responsible for his mood. This man shows that he's emotionally grounded and stable, a trait that makes him attractive because it demonstrates maturity. In today's world, many men shy away from talking about how they feel with their partners, assuming it's a sign of weakness. And on the other hand, a lot of men struggle with emotional dependency, often looking to their partners for validation and support. But a high-value man understands that while a relationship is about sharing, he alone is responsible for his happiness. Emotional independence means being self-aware and recognizing one's feelings without projecting them onto a partner. It's about understanding that while support is important, Relying on someone else for emotional stability can lead to unnecessary pressure and strain in the relationship. This independence doesn't mean avoiding emotional conversations or vulnerability. Instead, it's about balancing openness with self-reliance. A man who communicates his feelings while also managing his emotional well-being creates a safe space for his partner to express herself too. This shared emotional intelligence fosters a stronger bond and keeps the relationship vibrant. Number 3, have a purpose-driven life. Having a purpose-driven life doesn't mean being overly ambitious. It's about having something that brings meaning to your life. Women are naturally drawn to men who have a clear sense of purpose because it shows that he's motivated and dedicated. A lot of men fail to identify their passions, leading to loss of interest from their partners because they have nothing going on in their lives, leading to boredom in the relationship. A purpose can take many forms, whether it's a career goal, a personal mission, or a hobby that ignites passion. When a man is engaged in something meaningful, it creates a magnetic energy that attracts others. His enthusiasm becomes palpable, making conversations more engaging and life more exciting. Moreover, pursuing a purpose means he's less likely to become overly dependent on his partner for validation or fulfillment. This balance creates a healthier dynamic where both individuals can support each other's pursuits while still enjoying quality time together. A purpose-driven life enriches the relationship, keeping it interesting and allowing both partners to grow individually and as a couple. Number 4, communicate honestly and confidently. This has been an issue for many men today. They struggle with effective communication with their partners, often shying away from expressing their true feelings and opinions of certain things due to fear of her leaving. This often backfires on them, leading to lack of respect from women, misunderstandings, and frustration. A high-value man, on the other hand, knows that communication is the backbone of any relationship. They express themselves clearly with respect and are just as comfortable listening. Women appreciate this as it eliminates uncertainty and builds trust. Honest communication involves more than just speaking freely. It requires vulnerability and the courage to express one's true feelings. A man who can articulate his thoughts and emotions clearly fosters an environment of transparency. This openness encourages his partner to do the same, leading to deeper conversations and a stronger emotional connection. It's important to approach communication with an open mind. High-value men are receptive to feedback and willing to engage in constructive discussions, even when topics are tough. This willingness to communicate fosters a sense of security within the relationship, allowing both partners to feel understood and valued. Number 5, show appreciation, not attachment. In most relationships, some men tend to mistake constant attention for affection, which can come off as clingy. This attachment often stems from a fear of losing the relationship, leading to behaviors that may smother rather than nurture the connection. Appreciation involves recognizing and valuing your partner for who she is and the unique qualities she brings to the relationship. It's about celebrating her achievements, acknowledging her efforts, and expressing gratitude for the little things she does. Attachment, on the other hand, can manifest as dependence or neediness, where a man relies heavily on his partner for emotional support or validation. This often leads to behaviors like constantly seeking her attention, needing frequent reassurances, or being overly concerned about her whereabouts. And what these men fail to realize is that while attachment can stem from love, it often becomes a source of pressure that may push her away rather than draw her closer. Balance is key. High-value men recognize the importance of showing appreciation for their partner without becoming overly attached. Women feel valued and respected without feeling pressured, keeping the relationship healthy and mutually fulfilling. Appreciation can be expressed in countless ways, from simple verbal affirmations to thoughtful gestures. A man who takes the time to recognize his partner's strengths, efforts, and individuality fosters a sense of mutual respect. This acknowledgement reinforces the bond and keeps the relationship vibrant and engaging. Moreover, avoiding attachment doesn't mean being indifferent. It's about nurturing the relationship while maintaining individual identities. A high-value man encourages his partner to pursue her interests and dreams, showing that he respects her independence. This dynamic allows both partners to feel cherished while still enjoying a fulfilling connection. Number 6. quality and time. Unfortunately, many men today miss the mark when it comes to making the most of their time with a partner. A common mistake is treating time together as an obligation rather than an opportunity. They might engage in distractions like scrolling through their phones or thinking about work, which signals that they're not fully invested in the moment. This lack of attention can leave women feeling undervalued, diminishing the emotional connection. High-value men understand that time is precious, so they prioritize quality over quantity. This respect for time reflects maturity and discipline, making them highly attractive as it creates a foundation for more intentional and genuine interactions. They recognize that it's not just about how much time they spend together, but how they spend that time. Being present means actively engaging in the moment, whether it's during a dinner date or a casual outing. High-value men show their partners that they value them by putting away distractions and focusing on the experience they're sharing. This simple act of presence can significantly deepen emotional connections. Another mistake many men make is failing to create memorable experiences. They might think that an extravagant dinner is the only way to impress their partner, overlooking the power of simple, thoughtful moments. It's not always about fancy dates. Sometimes it's the little things like cooking dinner together, going for a walk, or exploring a new part of town that foster connection and intimacy. By prioritizing quality moments and being present, a high-value man reinforces the bond they share and keeps the relationship exciting and meaningful. Number 7. Live with integrity and stay consistent. Integrity and consistency are cornerstones of high-value men. They live by their values, keep their word, and are steady even when things get tough. Women find this stability reassuring and dependable, making it easier for them to trust and admire him. Living with integrity means aligning actions with values. A high-value man doesn't just talk about honesty, he practices it in every aspect of his life. This authenticity builds a strong foundation of trust, allowing his partner to feel secure in the relationship. Consistency plays a crucial role as well. It's not just about being reliable in small matters, it's about being the same person over time, through ups and downs. A high-value man shows up for his partner, proving that she can count on him, which reinforces the relationship's stability. At the end of the day, high-value men don't rely on tricks or tactics to keep a woman interested. They focus on cultivating genuine qualities that not only make them more attractive, but also contribute to their own growth and happiness. The habits they embody, self-improvement, emotional independence, purpose, honest communication, appreciation, respect for time, and integrity, are timeless traits that build meaningful connections. By practicing these habits, a high-value man doesn't just keep a woman interested, he builds a relationship that's rooted in mutual respect and admiration. This kind of connection is rare because it's built on authenticity rather than a desire to impress. By embodying these qualities, they create an environment where both partners can thrive, stay connected, and find true satisfaction. And in a world where genuine connections are hard to come by, these habits set them apart, making them men who don't just hold her interest, they keep her captivated. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remain masculine.